Hey, what's up guys? As you can see, just rinsed some bird poop off the car. That's why we got the car all a little wet. Just hose it down. Not a wash, so something light. But before we hop in and start riding, I want to just share something that I just did, super easy, and that's leveling out my headlights. I actually got one of my headlights replaced a while back, and the old one, well, I guess the new one, they were basically unlevel. Like their lights, one light was higher. I think there's like auto high beams, not high beams, but well, maybe they are high beams. Honestly, I don't really know, but the headlight itself was higher up and than this side. So when I'm driving, you know, if I'm coming into oncoming traffic, you would see this driver's side headlight more bright than this one. That's just because it was slanted more upwards, you know, not down towards the road. So I actually fixed that. Super easy. I can pop the hood and show you guys exactly like what it is that you need to do to get that fixed. So all you do really is get a little Allen wrench. Might need an extension like I did, and then if you look down in here, it's that little white one right there. It's plastic, so you want to be careful with it, I'd say, but I can't remember which way. I think righty-tighty lifts it upwards and then opposite is down, or maybe vice versa, I don't know. But I pulled up to my garage about this far away, 10 feet or so, and turned my lights on, cranked that until they were even, and yeah, we're good to go. So real easy, man, real easy. I was getting a little self-conscious when I was driving out there, like, you know, one of my headlights looks brighter than the other. I was pulling up behind cars and I'd see it reflecting on their rear bumper, and I'm like, should probably fix that. So that's exactly what we did. Yeah. We're gonna head to the gym. It's 1:05 p.m. I had the day off, so yeah, gonna get home early, watch the Mariners game, and yeah, let's get to it. Kind of want to take a longer drive today, so I might just take some scenic routes as we head out. Hope you had a good week, man. Hope you're excited for the weekend. If you got any weekend plans, man, be safe out there, have fun. And yeah, I'm just chilling this weekend, so. I've been thinking about throwing some burbles back on the car just because it kind of makes it more fun. But it can be equally as annoying. Spam callers out the yin yang, dude. Yeah, we'll see what we do with that. Super easy with MHD. So but yeah, man, it's Friday, so just gonna do shoulders and arms at the gym. yeah, that's it for me, man. So hope you enjoyed the drive, and as always, if you're new here, hit that sub button, follow along, ride along with me, you know what I'm saying? And hope you enjoy, man. All right. Hopefully the gym is empty today, since I'm getting here early. But we'll see. We shall see. Oh, damn. Look at this GTR. Oh, wow. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, 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 wow. It's probably a wrap. I don't think they come in that color, but still senpai template. Senpai plate. Damn, that thing's cool. Got a little bandage on the front lip, but damn, that thing's sick. I wish I could zoom in on this. I don't think I can. Made it to the gym, man. Made it to the gym. So I'm gonna take a look at this GTR real quick when I get out. I mean, I'll just take you guys with me. Why not? Why not that? Let's go look at it. I'm sure he won't be mad if I put him on video. Damn, fitment's kind of atrocious, but that's sick. All right. Cool. Not every day you see a GTR, at least in my city. So, anyways, we're gonna hit this workout, and I appreciate y'all for watching. And until next time, man, drive safe. Peace.